I have been asked to explain this video. I will be explaining more of his videos. I have decided to join on his YouTube. So without further ado, let's begin. Now, as the drone is going up, you can see a reflection above the sun going down. I believe, if I remember correctly, he stated he was flying at 40 meters once he is completely all up into the air. And I will pause the video to explain a situation that probably most people didn't catch. I didn't catch it either. It is just for a glimpse moment. Let's see when he swings around. Okay, now, as soon as he focuses back in on the sun, I hope I can catch it in time. I've also agreed that I will not mock anybody. I will not swear. I will see how I can do. It is just a thick, heavy haze of chemtrail on the horizon. I'm going to zoom in because I know I'm going to miss it. You can see the reflection on this water of this lake. Oh, I screwed it up. I knew I would do it. Now, is there anything in this picture that looks odd? Whoa. Two round objects, both bright like the sun. I would have to clearly say that is two objects there. If it were not two objects, it would not reflect on the water. This is just my opinion. Everybody has an opinion. And I've already promised not to mock anybody on their opinion. But let's not fool ourselves. That is two suns, or two round, bright objects. And one is clearly our star, our sun, setting into the smoke of the chemtrail. And you will see once the sun, our sun goes, the one we're used to calling the sun, goes into the chemtrail, it fades away, the reflection. And now, I have seen the sun set numerous times. Never have I seen two bright objects reflecting off the water at the same time. Neither have I seen anything like that. 1, 2, 3, and it looks like 4 different light sources. One's yellow, one's white, and one looks reddish. But I'm not sure. I'm not 100% positive. That's just my theory. But it definitely does not look right. And up above it, it's reflecting probably off chemtrails, or there's probably another possible object coming down with this situation. You ever had a spider run down your face? Woo! Let me know what you think. I'm not always right, but I have a good idea. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, what does he say in this thing? Guys and gals, yes. Now, as long as people are okay with me doing this on his channel, I will have a lot more pictures of my own I will be doing this with. I will also be going through some of his drone flights that I screen recorded to explain what he doesn't. Thank you.